Hi, welcome to Mad Machine. Fasten your seatbelt, raise yourself, and don't forget to grab some snacks so you can binge watch this video till the end. The first one, TimberKing 1600. The TimberKing 1600 is a robust sawmill capable of cutting logs up to 36 inches in diameter. Known for its ease of use, this machine is designed for high production. With features that enhance efficiency, the TimberKing 1600 is well suited for wood businesses that require speed and precision in cutting. Next, SERRA sawmills. SERRA sawmills are known for their cutting precision. They offer a range of models suitable for both small and large operations. With advanced technology and efficient design, SERRA provides reliable solutions for wood cutting needs. Next, WoodMizer WM1000. The WoodMizer WM1000 is a heavy-duty sawmill designed for large logs capable of cutting up to 60 inches in diameter. This machine is ideal for the wood industry that requires high capacity. Next, Norwood Lumbermate LM40. The Norwood Lumbermate LM40 is a versatile sawmill that can handle logs up to 40 inches in diameter. Designed for portability and high production, this machine is suitable for a variety of applications. Next, Baker Products 3665D. The Baker Products 3665D is a fully hydraulic sawmill designed for high production. With the ability to cut logs up to 36 inches in diameter, this machine is efficient for large operations. Its advanced features allow users to optimize the cutting process. Making it an excellent choice for the wood industry. Next, Norwood Lumbermate LM29. The Norwood Lumbermate LM29 is a portable sawmill ideal for woodworking enthusiasts. Capable of cutting logs up to 29 inches in diameter, this machine is designed for easy transport and use. With its intuitive design, users can quickly set it up and start cutting, making it a great choice for small projects. Next, Cook's MP32. The Cook's MP32 is a sawmill designed for high production, capable of handling logs up to 32 inches in diameter. With a hydraulic system that facilitates operation, this machine is highly efficient and suitable for various woodcutting applications. The Cook's MP32 is an excellent choice for those seeking speed and precision. Next, Hakki Pilke 55. The Hakki Pilke 55 is a professional sawmill designed for high efficiency. Capable of cutting large logs with precision, this machine is ideal for the wood industry that requires speed and accuracy in cutting. Next, TimberKing 1220. The TimberKing 1220 is a compact sawmill designed for portability and ease of use. Capable of cutting logs up to 20 inches in diameter, this machine is ideal for woodworking enthusiasts. Next, Logosol F2. The Logosol F2 is a compact portable sawmill, ideal for woodworking enthusiasts. Capable of cutting logs up to 20 inches in diameter, this machine is designed for easy transport and setup. With its straightforward features, users can quickly start their woodcutting projects. Next, the WoodMizer LT40. WoodMizer LT40 is a highly versatile sawmill capable of handling logs up to 40 inches in diameter. Known for its hydraulic control system that facilitates log handling, this machine is suitable for both small and large operations. With its efficient design, the LT40 allows for precise and rapid cutting, making it an ideal choice for woodworkers and the industry. Next, Hudson Oscar 30. The Hudson Oscar 30 is a portable sawmill designed for hobbyists and small businesses. With the ability to cut logs up to 30 inches in diameter, this machine is easy to set up and operate. Its lightweight design allows users to transport it to job sites, making it a practical choice for outdoor woodworking projects. So what do you guys think about those machines? Do you reckon they can make life easier? Can they help you get the job done faster? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.